Let's learn LangGraph in 40 seconds. LangGraph is built on top of LangChain and it supports multi-step and agentic workflow, which have multiple like conditional branching, persistent memory. There are a lot of controlled environment features. The basic जो app होते हैं like user prompts, LLM response. That's the simple way. But it ideally which we need is like which can think, decide, call which tool to call. I mean like which API or which let's say resource to invoke. And if something is wrong, then retry. Store the state of that particular operation, like which node is currently working, and if not, then retry. And so ideally, like this is the flow when we have only one chain. But in case of LangGraph, we have multiple chains based on the conditions. So basic concepts are like which is LangGraph, which meant it is like simple like graph, which you have seen the data structure, right? So one node to another node. Then there is state, which is like a stateful situation, which maintains that node, which is like tool or agent call or function call or human. So everything defined as in nodes here, which is a function call eventually. Ages are it's like one node to another node. What is the conditions? What is the branching to do that? So this is the definition of state. Then this is definition of a node. Simple example. So basically here what we're doing, we have node 1, node 2. So node 1 is LM decide something, then tool execution. So here we define the graph which has the state. This is our state. Now based on the different, we initiate the node, and then this is our starting point of graph. Then this is the condition, like once this is done, then execute this task. Once this is done, then end. So this is the flow basically. Like start this is the flow, and then finally invoke that. So this is the benefit of LangGraph, where we can control the agentic workflow very nicely.